Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Fitbit Inspire 3 Health Activity Tracker. This is the first Fitbit I've ever used since Google took over the company. So I wanted to show you quickly everything it comes with. Just like all my other videos, in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying it, they want to get an idea of what all items come with it, what does it look like. That's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Once I figure out how to use it, I will attach some videos as far as the features of it. You get an instruction manual, and then there's really not a whole lot to it. You get a long watch strap, and then it comes with the short watch strap already on it. It does have a quick release strap. The reason that I like buying these Fitbit trackers is if I want to throw on my Casio G-Shock, for example, or my Casio Pro Trek, and I want to wear a regular watch, I can take the strap off of this Fitbit tracker, put it in clip mode, throw it in my pocket, and I can still get activity tracking information. It does come with a charge cord. Not sure how well you're gonna be able to see this. The Fitbit Inspire 2 was horrible, and the main reason it was so bad is because of the display. I will give it credit. I've had a few seconds just to at least look at the display. It's 100 times better on the Inspire 3 because it's got an AMOLED display. This is the regular default brightness. This isn't even the brightest display, and it is really easy to see. The nice thing is it's also color screen, whereas on the Fitbit Inspire 2, it was a black and white display. Just like before, it really works a lot like the Fitbit Inspire 2. Touchscreen to change your watch face. You can swipe. Two buttons on the side if you want to use buttons. But that's it, pretty basic stuff. So if you buy it, that's all you're going to get is a short strap, long strap, charging cable. The big thing that they don't give you, if you're somebody like me, is you don't have a clip to throw it in. So if you're wanting to protect it when you throw it in your pocket or clip it to your body, unfortunately, that's a third-party accessory that you would have to buy. But that's a quick unboxing of the Fitbit Inspire 3. As always, if the video helped, thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks for watching.